This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Beautiful 1960s rambler located just east of University Place in desirable Tacoma community. 3 BRs, 1 bath and over 1,700 square feet. Features include expansive living room west/lots of natural lights, WB fireplace, Tigerwood laminate floors, recently remodeled kit, including built-in micro and cozy breakfast nook, newer vinyl windows. Fresh paint inside and out, new carpet, new TPO roof. Converted family room/GR has slider out to relaxing patio area, large fenced backyard garden shed. Freshly landscaped and ready for the new owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-635.